Well, I think there's room for a few more potatoes here. These ones have got themselves quite nicely established now. I'll put a few more in. These ones haven't come up yet. And of course the Mary's Bar, the first earlies, are doing well. Until we get a frost, they're doing well. That's the end of that 25 kilo bag of bloodfish and bone. Last of it's just gone on these potatoes. And I've still got potatoes left. And that's only the first bag. I've got one more bag to go. Second row of potatoes are poking through now, so I can give them a bit more compost. It's quite crude compost, but it'll be fine for potatoes. I think they'll grow through that in no time, and yeah, that'll be okay. Calories.